Guys, welcome to my channel. This is Serenity's garden. I just wanted to show you that just because you live in an apartment or you need to do container gardening, if you don't have space, you can definitely still have a beautiful container garden. So that's what this channel will be about. It'll be about container gardening in small spaces. So this is just a quick little overview so you guys can see what I have here in my container garden. And then today we are going to harvest these tangerines because they look like they're just about ready. I have 2 of them on here. Let's see. I have another one right here. So we are going to harvest those today. Okay, so here we are. We're going to harvest these tangerines. Let's see. They're a really good size too. Longer because you can see that it's orange. This is what it looks like. I've had this for about 2 years almost, and it always gives me good tangerines, good sized tangerines. We do have another one over there, but I think we should give it another couple of days, considering how this one was. Let me get a little bit closer. Let's see the bottom of this. Yeah, we could probably wait another day or 2 on that one, and I will show you guys once I do that. So let's go see what this one tastes like. Look at that. That looks delicious.
If you've never had a fresh fruit or a fresh tangerine off of your very own tree, you are in for a treat because it's absolutely delicious. It's juicy. It's nothing like you've ever got from the grocery store.
All right, so there you go, you guys. This is a honey tangerine fresh off of the tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you stop by the Serenity Garden. We're going to be uploading a lot more videos. Make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss it. And thank you for stopping by the Serenity Garden.